get your private key on MetaMask account. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to get the private key on MetaMask account. In order to get the private key, you just have to go and log in into your MetaMask account. When you're logged in from the home page, go ahead and press the gear icon from the bottom left hand side corner of your screen. On the other field, you'll be able to see the general information, all that. Scroll down to the bottom and go to security and privacy. As soon as you click the security and privacy, you'll be able to see this field where you can go ahead and select the option that is show private key under the show private key for account 1 or the account. Select that. Next, you have to go ahead and enter the password for the identity or for the verification purpose. So do that, and when you've actually done that, you could go ahead and press on or hold on. You can just follow the instruction as hold to reveal private key. You just have to hold it until you see the private key. So by following this steps, you should be able to get your private key on MetaMask. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.